How to redeem or use EA gift card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, launch a preferred browser in your device and search for ea.com. Once you are in your official homepage, you need to log in into your EA account. If you have not created one, make sure to enter a brand new EA account for you. Now, if you have yourself a EA gift card and you want to redeem it, this is how it actually works. As we all know, EA have a variety of games under it, and we can play it, purchase it, and download it easily from the website. Now here comes your gift card. When you are purchasing a game through your EA website, at the last when it comes for the payment method, you will see a dialog box where it says apply a coupon or apply a gift card number. In the particular dialog box, you have to enter the 16-digit gift card number that will be at the back of your EA gift card. Ensure to enter it correctly. If the gift card is valid, you will receive substantial discount in your purchase of your game at the end of the payment method. And that is how you redeem or use your EA gift card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.